it one? Okay, so Angel's about to do the cinnamon challenge. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More water, more water. Without throwing up. I don't even think I got it. You did it so quick. That was funny. You felt like you couldn't breathe, right? I know, that's why I didn't want to do it. She couldn't breathe.